I just arrived from work and I found something in front of our door, and I think Sinterklaas or Saint Nicholas visited our home for today. Hi guys! Kamusta po kayong lahat? This is Myra again, Madam Filipina Belgium. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my weekly vlog. Today, Sinterklaas or Saint Nicholas visited our house and he dropped something in our front door, and I want to share it to you guys. I want to show it to you what is Saint Nicholas bring for me this year. I want to tell you about something. Saint Nicholas or Sinterklaas here in Belgium, it's really common this for children's. This Saint Nicholas or Sinterklaas is like a Santa Claus that giving gift to the children, who is brave and sweet and not doing any naughty things for this year. Is rewarding the children's. And I got something also, and I want to share it to you guys. But if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell for more video in the future, and you can leave the comment down below and give me like if you like this video. And let's discover what Santa Claus or Santa Claus bring for me. Because I was so sweet this year, that's why I got this one. Yay! So this is it. I got a sewing machine from Saint Nicholas or Saint Nicholas. So I'm happy, and I will show you inside. that's it for today. I'm so happy to get the sewing machine. I hope you like my videos. This is Maricel again saying thank you guys for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!